Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Rehan Ahmad, warga negara kelas 11 IPS 4, nomor absen 25. Di sini saya akan membacakan eksplanasi teks about snow. The snow wall is always exciting, isn't it? In the snowfall, you can crouch through the snow, make a snowman, and play snowballs with your brother. Have you ever wondered who snow is made through? No, occurs when water vapor in the air freeze before they can turn into water. This happens when the temperature in the clouds is very cold. Snowflakes are made of crystal of the ice that have you formed around bits of dirt in the air. Snowflakes are cute, very small and grow. Each snowflakes and might contain up to 100 crystal. Sekian, terima kasih dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.